Staying motivated and achieving work-life balance can be challenging, especially in today's fast-paced and constantly connected world. However, by making a few simple changes to your daily routine and mindset, you can improve your overall well-being and productivity. Set clear goals. Start by setting clear and specific goals for both your professional and personal life. This will give you something to work towards and help you stay focused and motivated. Prioritize self-care. Self-care is essential for both physical and mental well-being. Take time each day to do something that makes you feel good, whether it's going for a walk, reading a book, or practicing meditation. Create a schedule. Having a schedule can help you manage your time more effectively and prevent burnout. Plan out your day the night before, and stick to it as best as you can. Take breaks. Taking regular breaks can help reduce stress and improve focus. Whether it's a short walk around the block or a quick meditation session, taking a break can help you refocus and recharge. Learn to say no. It's easy to take on too much and become overwhelmed. Learn to say no to tasks or commitments that are not important or that will take away from your ability to achieve your goals. Find a support system. Having a support system can help you stay motivated and on track. Surround yourself with people who will encourage and support you in your goals. Celebrate small successes. Achieving small successes along the way can help keep you motivated. Take the time to celebrate your accomplishments, no matter how small they may be. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness can help you stay present in the moment and reduce stress and anxiety. Take time each day to focus on your breath and be present in the moment. Take time for yourself. It's important to take time for yourself and do things you enjoy. Whether it's going for a hike, taking a yoga class, or simply relaxing, make sure to take time for yourself. Learn to let go. Sometimes things don't go as planned, and that's okay. Learn to let go of things you can't control and focus on what you can do. Practice time management. Effective time management can help you stay organized and make the most of your time. Prioritize your tasks, set deadlines, and break large projects into smaller, manageable tasks. Find an accountability partner. Having someone to hold you accountable can be a great way to stay motivated. Find a friend, colleague, or mentor who can help keep you on track and motivated. Take care of your physical health. Taking care of your physical health is essential for overall well-being. Make sure to get enough sleep, eat a balanced diet, and exercise regularly. Set boundaries. Setting boundaries with work and personal life can help you achieve work-life balance. Learn to disconnect from work when you're not on the clock, and make time for family and friends. Learn to manage stress. Stress can have a negative impact on both physical and mental health. Learn to manage stress by practicing relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, yoga, or meditation. Take vacation time. Taking regular vacation time can help reduce stress and improve productivity. Make sure to take time off and disconnect from work, even if it's just a short weekend getaway. Find a hobby. Having a hobby can help you relax and recharge. Find something you enjoy and make time to do it regularly. Learn to delegate. Delegating tasks to others can help reduce stress and increase productivity. Learn to delegate tasks to others and trust them to complete them. Have a positive mindset. Having a positive mindset can help you stay motivated and achieve your goals. Practice positive self-talk and focus on the things you're grateful for. Flexible schedule. A flexible schedule can help you achieve a better work-life balance. If possible, consider working from home, flexible hours, or a part-time schedule. Use technology to your advantage. Technology can be a great tool to help you stay organized and manage your time. Use apps or tools such as calendars, to-do lists, and time tracking to help you stay on top of your tasks. Don't compare yourself to others. It's easy to get caught up in comparing yourself to others, but it's important to remember that everyone's journey is different. Focus on your own progress and celebrate your own successes. Learn to say no politely. Saying no can be hard, but it's an essential part of achieving balance and avoiding burnout. Learn to say no politely but firmly and don't feel guilty about it. Learn to prioritize. Prioritizing your tasks and responsibilities is key to achieving balance. Learn to identify which tasks are most important and focus on them first. Reward yourself. Setting and achieving your goals is hard work, and it's important to reward yourself along the way. Treat yourself to something nice as a reward for reaching your milestones. Create a comfortable and inspiring workspace. Your work environment can have a big impact on your motivation and productivity. Make sure your workspace is comfortable and inspiring, with good lighting and ergonomic furniture. Take regular breaks throughout the day. Taking short breaks throughout the day can help you stay focused and refreshed. Whether it's a short walk, stretching, or a quick snack, taking regular breaks can help you avoid burnout. Learn to manage distractions. Distractions can be a major barrier to productivity. Learn to manage distractions by turning off notifications, using noise-canceling headphones, or working in a dedicated workspace. Understand the importance of rest and relaxation. Rest and relaxation are essential for maintaining balance and preventing burnout. Make sure to take regular breaks and get enough sleep each night. Seek help when needed. Don't be afraid to seek help when you need it. Whether it's talking to a therapist, a coach, or joining a support group, seeking help can be a great way to stay motivated and achieve balance. Keep a journal. Keeping a journal can be a great way to stay motivated and track your progress. Use it to record your goals, accomplishments, and any lessons you've learned along the way. Use visualization techniques. Visualization is a powerful technique that can help you stay motivated and achieve your goals. Imagine yourself achieving your goal and what it will feel like to have achieved it. Learn to manage time-wasting activities. Time-wasting activities can be a major barrier to productivity. Learn to identify and manage activities that waste your time and limit their impact on your day. Stay organized. Being organized can help you stay focused and motivated. Use tools such as calendars, to-do lists, and reminders to stay on top of your tasks. Take time to reflect. Reflecting on your progress and the lessons you've learned can help you stay motivated and improve your performance. Take time to reflect on your progress and identify areas for improvement. Make time for fun. Having fun is an essential part of achieving balance. Make sure to schedule regular time for fun activities, whether it's playing sports, watching movies, or hanging out with friends. Learn to manage your energy. Managing your energy is essential for maintaining balance and preventing burnout. Learn to identify and manage activities that drain your energy and limit their impact on your day. Learn to manage your stress levels. Stress can have a negative impact on your motivation and productivity. Learn to manage your stress levels through activities such as exercise, yoga, or meditation. Set realistic and achievable goals. Setting unrealistic and unachievable goals can lead to disappointment and demotivation. Set realistic and achievable goals that are aligned with your values and priorities. Stay motivated by keeping perspective. Keeping perspective is important when it comes to motivation and balance. Remember that setbacks and obstacles are a normal part of the journey, and don't give up on your goals. Learn to manage your emotions. Managing your emotions is an important part of achieving balance. Learn to identify and manage negative emotions such as anger, frustration, and anxiety, and replace them with positive emotions like gratitude and happiness. Practice gratitude. Practicing gratitude can help you stay motivated and focused on the positive aspects of your life. Take time each day to reflect on the things you're grateful for, whether it's your family, friends, or a job you enjoy. Make time for physical activity. Regular physical activity can help you reduce stress and improve your overall well-being. Make time for physical activity, whether it's running, cycling, swimming, or yoga. Learn to manage your finances. Managing your finances can be a major stressor, but it's an essential part of achieving balance. Create a budget, set financial goals, and make a plan to achieve them. Create a morning routine. Creating a morning routine can help you start your day off on the right foot. Make sure to include activities that will help you feel energized and motivated, such as exercise, meditation, or reading. Avoid procrastination. Procrastination can be a major barrier to productivity and motivation. Learn to avoid procrastination by setting deadlines, breaking tasks into smaller parts, and focusing on one task at a time. Learn to manage your expectations. Managing your expectations is an important part of achieving balance. Learn to set realistic and achievable expectations, and don't get too caught up in the outcome. Find a balance between work and leisure. Finding a balance between work and leisure is essential for achieving balance. Make sure to schedule regular time for leisure activities, whether it's reading, watching movies, or spending time with friends. Stay motivated by remembering your why. Remembering your why can be a great way to stay motivated and focused on your goals. Take time to reflect on the reasons why you want to achieve your goals and let them drive you forward. In conclusion, staying motivated and achieving work-life balance is a continuous journey that requires a combination of effort, dedication, and a positive mindset. It's also crucial to remember that setbacks and obstacles are a normal part of the journey, and it's important to be kind to yourself and not be too hard on yourself when you slip up or don't meet your goals. Remember to be flexible and adapt to changes as they come. To sum up, maintaining a healthy work-life balance is a continuous journey that requires a combination of effort, dedication, and a positive mindset. By making small changes to your daily routine and mindset, you can improve your overall well-being, increase productivity, and achieve a balance that works for you. Remember, the key is to be patient with yourself, stay motivated, and keep trying.